Okay, let's have a look what we have in the box. So we have the Honor 10 here. It's in its wrapping. I've got the Mirage Blue color. We also have the SIM card tray opener. Inside that packet you have the user guide and the warranty guide. Now, one thing I really like with phones is when they come with a clear case, so that solves one problem straight away. Most people buy a clear case anyway. You also have the plug and the charging cable that comes in the box. No headphones in this situation. Now, like I mentioned, I have the blue color Honor 10. It comes in 4 different color variations: Phantom Blue, which is the one I have, Phantom Green, Midnight Black and Glacier Grey. It looks pretty sleek. It's got a nice reflection gradient to it, especially in daylight. On the right hand side you have the power button and the volume buttons. On the left hand side you have the SIM card tray opener just at the top, and there's no other buttons on the phone. At the bottom you have the headphone jack, the USB Type-C charger and the speakers. So the fingerprint scanner is on the front. You can see it's pretty much instant. I do like the fact that you can unlock from the front very easily. It's not very often you see phones with fingerprint scanners on the front nowadays, mostly on the back, but nonetheless it does a great job. Face unlock, it's pretty instant as well. It takes about half a second, possibly less, to unlock, as you can see here. Now the phone does have a notch with 80% screen ratio on the display, but you have the option to turn the notch off from the settings, as with most other notch enabled phones. The phone runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has a Silicon Kirin 970 processor, same as its predecessor. It comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of non-expandable storage. It has a dual camera on the back with a 16MP and a 24MP lens with 1.8 aperture, and shoots video up to 4K only at 30 frames per second. It has an impressive 3400 mAh battery with 25 minutes fast charging, giving you an additional 50% of battery life. It retails at an incredible £399. There you have it guys, make sure you subscribe for a full in-depth review of the Honor 10 coming soon.